Welcome to our step-by-step salsa dance tutorial. In this video, we will teach you the basic steps of salsa. Start with the basic side-to-side step. Step to the side with your left foot, then bring your right foot together. Next, add the forward and backward step. Step forward with your left foot, then bring your right foot together. Step backward with your right foot, then bring your left foot together. Now, let's practice the basic steps with the music. Once you're comfortable with the basic steps, we can move on to the rhythm. Listen to the music and try to feel the beat. Let your body move naturally with the rhythm. Now that you have the basic steps and rhythm, let's learn some common salsa dance moves. We will teach you a few simple moves that you can incorporate into your salsa dancing. Practice these moves and combine them with the basic steps and rhythm to create your own salsa dance routine. With practice, you'll become more confident and comfortable on the dance floor. So grab a partner or dance solo, and let's get started on your salsa journey.